Oh, snap, crackle, pop, huh? Come on. I need a new pedal, eh?
Motherfucker.
That was like the most clear one yet.
So bitch.
Did you get that? Did you get all that? Oh yeah.
Oh, all of that.
You can't get the flash.
Oh, the foot.
It's the foot.
The foot, oh. Rolling up in a wheelchair.
Oh, fuck. When you guys were talking about you guys' friend Josh,
Sorry?
his mom was 55 or something?
Lives in North
North
Island.
Island.
Oh.
You still live in Citrus.
Yeah, I remember him. Ah, shit.
Me, Josh, and Dave all live in the same apartments.
Yeah. Oh, God.
How could somebody getting a hell tattoo say God so much?
You're a very religious man. I appreciate it.
Can't believe in one without the other, dude.
Right?
Nigger.
I can't get it